Okay, I think I know what side I'm going to start with. And I've decided I'm going to start with the trains. So I need to make one main train and 3 carts. But not only that, I need to try and make it 3D. So once I got my game plan down, I started to write out all the measurements, which ended up looking like this. I've never sat down and taken the time to measure and plan everything. I am a big fan of just winging it. But I told myself in 2025, we're going to do everything the right way. I'm a huge believer of slow is fast, fast is slow. So I know this will be very beneficial. So right now I'm going to create a stencil so I know what exactly to cut out when I move over to the wood shop. These are leftover poster boards from my Halloween project. So once I got it all taped together and pinned up on the wall, I started measuring everything out and writing all the details. But of course, I decided to do it in black pen, so you guys absolutely have no idea what I'm doing. But once I started cutting everything out, that's when you could see what my vision was. Trust me, I'm just as shocked as you guys are. Then I decided to switch over to a black marker to write out all of my measurements so I know exactly what to do when I move over to the wood. I am absolutely terrified to try and cut this out of wood, but I think I can do it. Then I rinsed and repeat, and I needed to make the cart. So my plan is to have one right behind it, one next to it, and then one on the third panel. But then I could also turn it sideways and do 2 long carts, but then I decided, you know what, I like the other way better. This time I decided to wing it and just kind of do a rough estimate of what I want to do. I was drawing like a rough game plan of what I wanted to do, and then I realized I don't really know what a cart looks like for what I'm trying to do, so I had to go look on my Pinterest board for what I was trying to do. And as much as I hate to admit it, it took me 10 times as long doing it this way versus sitting down, writing out the plans, and then cutting everything out. It took me maybe 40 minutes to do the first part, and then to do this part, it took me about an hour and a half. I was just stumped left and right. I was struggling here and there, and after 3 headaches, I finally got it done. This is what it ended up looking like. I'm actually really impressed with myself. Now it's time to move to my garage and my super cute DIY apron that I got in South Korea. I'm so excited for my first project.